The following message is transmitted at the request of the federal government of Nevada and the United Nations. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please listen to this message. The worst has come to pass. The world has come to a terrible end. At 5:37 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on February 2, 2045, there have been numerous and widespread reports of Plaxiovirus worldwide. Damage is reported to infrastructure across the world. The Plaxiovirus pandemic has caused all 7,996,856,000 people outside of this country of Nevada to die. Nevada is the last country. However, the federal government of Nevada is about to collapse. All cities and towns outside of Nevada have been destroyed by the infected. In addition, power outages have been reported around Nevada and the remains of the other countries. This has caused many survivors to die in their sleep. The infected have killed them in their sleep because lights have been confirmed to keep the zombies away. Chaos and anarchy have been reported all over the planet. The Plaxiovirus will soon infect and kill everyone who is remaining on the planet. Cries for help have been heard around the world as this pandemic unfolded. Humanity is on the verge of extinction. We are witnessing the end of human society. At this time, it is recommended that you gather with your family and friends. This is so you can experience the end of the human race. There's no reason to keep calm. Go into panic mode. This broadcast will end with the final playing of the national anthem of Nevada.
El siguiente mensaje se transmite a pedido del Gobierno Federal de Nevada y las Naciones Unidas. Esto no es una prueba. Repito, esto no es una prueba. Escucha este mensaje. Lo peor ha sucedido, el mundo ha llegado a un final terrible. A las 5:37 p.m., hora estándar del Pacífico, el 2 de febrero de 2045, ha habido numerosos y generalizados informes de Plaxiovirus en todo el mundo. Se han reportado daños a la infraestructura en todo el mundo. La pandemia de Plaxiovirus ha causado la muerte de 7.996.856.000 personas fuera de este país de Nevada. Nevada es el último país. Sin embargo, el gobierno federal de Nevada está a punto de colapsar. Todas las ciudades y pueblos fuera de Nevada han sido destruidos por los infectados. Además, se han reportado cortes de energía alrededor de Nevada y los restos de los otros países. Esto ha causado que muchos sobrevivientes mueran mientras dormían. Los infectados los han matado mientras dormían porque se ha confirmado que las luces mantienen alejados a los zombies. Se han reportado caos y anarquía en todo el planeta. El Plaxiovirus pronto infectará y matará a todos los que quedan en el planeta. Los gritos de ayuda se han escuchado en todo el mundo a medida que se desarrollaba esta pandemia. La humanidad está al borde de la extinción. Estamos presenciando el fin de la sociedad humana. En este momento, se recomienda que se reúna con su familia y amigos. Esto es para que puedas experimentar el fin de la raza humana. No hay razón para mantener la calma. Entra en modo pánico. Esta transmisión terminará con la reproducción final del himno nacional de Nevada.
Way out in the land of the setting sun, where the wind blows wild and free, there's a lovely spot, just the only one that means home, sweet home to me. If you follow the old Kit Carson trail until desert meets the hills, oh, you certainly will agree with me, it's the place of 1,000 thrills. Home means Nevada, home means the hills, home means the sage and the pines. Out by the Truckee's silvery rills, out where the the sun always shines. There is the land that I love the best, fairer than all I can see. Right in the heart of the golden west, home means Nevada to me. Whenever the sun at the close of day colors all the western sky, oh, my heart returns to the desert gray and the mountains towering high, where the moonbeams play in the shadowed glen with the spotted fawn and doe. All the live long night until morning light is the loveliest place I know. Home means Nevada, home means the hills, home means the sage and the pines. Out by the Truckee silvery rills, out where the sun always shines. There is the land that I love the best, fairer than all I can see. Right in the heart of the golden west, home means Nevada.